Hello friends, welcome back with a brand new video. Today we're going to install our odometer blocker on a Ford Tourneo. In this video, I'll show you every detail you need for the installation. So, watch carefully, because next time you'll be able to do it yourself easily, using only a screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. As you know, the blocker must be installed behind the speedometer in the main cable connector. To reach that cable, we first need to remove some plastic trim pieces on the dashboard. After that, we'll also take out the speedometer. The outer covers are held in place with clips, which you can even remove by hand. I'll show you step by step how each part comes off. Now, we've reached the speedometer. It's secured with 4 screws. Let's remove them too. Once we pull it forward, we'll see the speedometer system connector at the back. Unplug it and connect our blocker exactly as shown in the video. For this installation, we're using the super kilometer filter with the long cable. The advantage of the long cable is simple. If you ever need to uninstall the blocker for any reason, you can just disconnect the module from the other end and plug in the blind connector. That way, you won't have to disassemble the dashboard all over again. The installation is complete. After installation, the device automatically starts in mode 1. If you want to change modes or deactivate the blocker, you can either use the smartphone app SKF Speed version 2 or simply pull the high beam lever 5 times. And now, let's hit the road. We're driving with the blocker active, and as you can see, the odometer is not counting mileage. Pretty cool, right? For more information about the product, its operating modes, and other details, visit our website, superkilometerfilter.com. We'll help you choose the perfect product for your car. That's it for today. See you in the next video.